Welcome to another UCView digital signage tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to go over global alerts, how to set one up, how they work, and also the possibilities of tying in with the common alerting protocol. So first things first, you want to go to the left hand side and we're going to click on alerts. As you can see, I already have some alerts that I've created previously here. On your account, if you haven't created any, it'll be blank. You'll see right up at the top, you have the button that says create alert, followed by list of alerts, alert history, templates, and cap integration. Down here, we have activate and disable. And if you ever delete any alerts, you'll have a tab that says deleted alerts. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and create an alert. So we'll go ahead and name the sample alert, and then you can choose a category. For example, this one, I'll go ahead and say weather. Type, you can go ahead and message will allow you to type a message down below, as you can see in the message box. Easy board is if you want to create an easy board with an alert, you'd be able to do so. Same thing with microsite. Or if you are tying into any other system, you can bring in the URL and we can listen out for it. So in this example, I'll go ahead and click message, template, I'll go ahead and choose default, category, I'll make this sample, and then I'm going to type in some text here. So we'll go ahead and say, this is a sample alert. And now we can actually take a look at it. So as you can see, it says sample. This is a sample alert. Now, when you trigger the global alert, what will happen is that the content that's currently playing will immediately pause and your alert is going to display in full screen. So we'll go ahead and exit out of here and we'll click save. Now, before we go any further, there's two types of alerts. One that we call global alert, and one that is just a regular alert. So global alert will send this emergency alert to every single screen on your network. So this goes, for example, let's say your entire network is a campus, and you go ahead and send this alert. It'll go to every single screen. But let's say that you have multiple sites or multiple locations that you want to create alerts for. So what you're going to do is you want to go ahead and assign what locations this alert is going to run on. So as you can see here, we have assigned to selected players. So if I click on that, so you can see right now, the alert is global, so it'll go everywhere. But if I change it to normal, now on the right hand side, I can select where it's going to go. So for example here, I can go ahead and select building 1 only. And now that alert is only going to trigger in that building. So that's the difference between a global and a normal alert. Now if we back up to our list here, we go back out to alerts, you'll see that now we have sample alert right over here. And for the other alerts that I have, you'll see that I have displays all, those are my global, and these here are my normal alerts. So there's two ways to trigger this. You can actually trigger the alert right from the interface by clicking on it and activating. And now you see that it's flashing, showing you that that is actually active. Now the second way of doing this is to go ahead and go onto the iOS or Android platform and download our Global Alerts app. There, as long as you type in your credentials, you'll be able to see a list of alerts along with the ability to trigger them. You'll push the button. Once you see the alert, you'll see the circle fill up and it'll trigger. And the exact same thing to disable the alerts on the app. Now to disable the alert here in the system, all we got to do is click on it and click disable. Now we also tie in with the common alerting protocol. So as you can see, we're able to go ahead and use the CAP protocol to do that. If you have any questions on global alerts and how to create one, how to set it up, or how to tie it in with any common alerting protocol software, please don't hesitate to give us a call, jump on our online chat, or set up a ticket on our ticket support system. We'll see you in the next video.